Like I'm supposed to memorize all these equations. That's where this comes in handy. Boy, am I smooth. Yep. Just as I thought.
How are we doing? What's going on over there? Seems fishy.
Sir?
Are you cheating, Emily?
What? Underneath my paper? I've got nothing, see? My sleeves are clear too.
Turn them over.
See? I've got nothing to hide. Phew. Wait, where did the card go?
I have my own tricks too, you know.
Ugh! I've gotta cheat smarter.
You good over there? Doesn't look too suspicious. Emily?
Oh, nothing to see here. All clear. No cheat sheets.
Oh, okay.
That was close. Easy. Easy.
Hey!
Ugh! Whoops. Just trash.
Kids. Time to bring out the big guns. You've gotta be kidding me! Hey!
Never mind.
Can't pull a fast one on me.
Only one hiding spot left.
Huh? Matthew! What is that thing?
All gone.
That's what I thought.
Ugh. Hey. A little help? I know. The answers are all here. Here's how you do it. First, put this clear sheet on it. And use a hair straightener to stick it on. Just around the 3 edges. Leave one open. Then slide a piece of paper on in. Should be a perfect fit. Use a black marker to write what you need. Equations, answers, whatever. Look how much space you have. The entire test is on this bad boy. Then take the paper out of the sleeve. Here, have at it.
Thank you. But I can't see anything.
Not yet.
What?
Oh! I just slide it around in there. Now I can see everything I need.
I feel like a secret spy or something. This is seriously genius! I'm gonna ace this test now.
Thank you.
Let's see. Awesome!
Those kids better not pull anything.
No! Aw, come on. Ugh, I can't get a grip on it. Phew.
Hey, what's so funny? Oh, man!
What?
I don't get it! I hate it here!
Ha ha, very funny. This line is taking forever. What's everyone doing in there anyway? Ugh. Ugh! There's no line over at the men's room. Think anyone would mind? I'll just turn it into a second ladies' room. Just a little skirt is all it takes. And no one will ever know. See? Looks totally legit. Especially with some cute pigtails. I'm going in. And stay out.
Sorry.
So gullible.
No line! Wait. That's the girls' room? But I thought the other one was theirs? Then where am I supposed to go? Ah, that's better. Yep.
So sleepy. Ouch! This is unbearable. It's like my eyelids weigh a ton.
Look at this sleepy young lady.
Who are you?
Your sleepy godmother.
First things first,
We need to protect that head.
wait, I put my head in this thing? I don't know. Maybe up here's better? I don't think I'm doing this right. Unless…
Just do this.
Oh, I bend it back and sit it up. This is gonna be great! Night-night! Oh yeah.
Bye now. My job is done here.
There we go. Everyone looks pretty comfortable. That snoring is just glorious. Finally, some peace and quiet.
Wish you had hacks like this to get through a tough school day? Maybe you can use some of them next year. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video.